Today, we're stepping into the world of the most insane luxury car tuners on the planet. Luxury and performance car modification exists on a completely different level. This isn't your average garage tuning scene. These are professional companies that specialize in high-powered luxury machines and operate globally. Some of them can nearly double a car's horsepower, completely transform its road presence, and turn the interior into something that feels more luxurious than business class. So, let's start with the first tuner, Mansory. If you already own a luxury car but still feel like it needs something extra, then Germany's Mansory is probably where you'd end up. For example, this is a standard Lamborghini Urus, producing around 657 horsepower. But this is the Mansory version, pushing close to 900 horsepower, with a fully redesigned body kit and an ultra-premium interior. Mansory is a German luxury car customization company that modifies everything from supercars and luxury SUVs to full-blown hypercars. And honestly, there's almost no limit to what they can create. The only real limit is how much money you're willing to spend. Back in the 1980s, a car specialist named Courage Mansory moved to Germany. He noticed that customized luxury cars were becoming popular worldwide and realized the business had massive potential. Inspired by that opportunity, he began manufacturing custom automotive components himself. Once things started growing successfully, he officially founded Mansory in 1989, naming the company after his own surname. One of the most interesting things about Mansory is that they don't focus on a single manufacturer. They customize vehicles from more than 25 different brands, including Aston Martin, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Bentley Motors, and Bugatti. For example, this is Mansory's customized Bugatti Chiron, officially known as the Mansory Centuria. Most of its bodywork is made from forged carbon fiber. In fact, carbon fiber is one of the brand's biggest signatures. Nearly every Mansory build is loaded with carbon components, many of which are produced in-house at their own facility. Transforming a regular luxury car into a Mansory creation involves multiple stages. First comes digital modeling and prototyping to ensure every custom panel fits perfectly. Then, custom body kits and aerodynamic parts are developed. After that, come upgraded exhaust systems for a more aggressive sound, followed by engine tuning based on how far the customer wants to push the car. And finally comes the centerpiece of every Mansory build, the interior. Mansory is especially known for its extravagant and eye-catching interiors. Customers can personalize almost everything. If your budget is big enough, you can even add gold, diamonds, pearls, or other exotic materials. Think about it. If someone already owns a Rolls-Royce but still wants an even more luxurious cabin, imagine the level of customization they're looking for. Now yes, Mansory does increase performance too, but they usually don't turn cars into complete monsters. The power gains are noticeable, the cars become faster, but the main focus still stays on luxury, exclusivity, and visual drama. But if someone wants absolute madness and extreme performance, then instead of Mansory, they usually head toward Brabus. Brabus is another German aftermarket tuning company, and like Mansory, they work on multiple brands ranging from Rolls-Royce to even smart cars. But Brabus is especially famous for modifying Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Basically, if someone owns a Mercedes and still thinks it isn't powerful enough, Brabus is usually the answer. For example, if you own a Mercedes-AMG GT63 with 585 horsepower and still want more, Brabus can push that number close to 1,000 horsepower. If your Mercedes-Maybach S-Class doesn't feel exclusive enough, they can make it even crazier. And if you really want attention, they can even convert your Mercedes-Benz G-Class into a six-wheel beast like the Brabus XLP 6x6. Brabus also releases limited production vehicles from time to time. Sometimes they produce only 100 units of a custom Maybach, sometimes just 10 units of a modified G-Wagon. And in some cases, They build true one-of-one cars that exist nowhere else in the world. Another interesting detail is that many of these cars wear Brabus branding instead of the original manufacturer's logo. Even the names change. For example, Lamborghini becomes the Brabus 900 Super Black Bentley Continental becomes the Brabus 900. The 6x6 G-Wagon becomes the Brabus XLP 6x6. Porsche 911 Turbo S becomes the Brabus 820. And one of their most famous creations is the Brabus Rocket 900 edition. It produces around 900 horsepower, 1,250 Newton-meters of torque, and looks absolutely insane. Brabus also uses extensive carbon fiber body parts, custom interiors, and aggressive body kits, but their biggest focus is performance. To achieve that, they upgrade internal engine components like pistons, crankshafts, and cylinder heads with heavy-duty hardware. Then they install larger turbochargers, improve cooling systems, remap the ECU for proper management, add custom exhaust systems for a brutal soundtrack, and finally install lightweight carbon fiber aerodynamic parts. Only after all of that does an ordinary car become a true Brabus machine. Now, if we compare the two, Mansory definitely delivers more extravagant luxury interiors. But when it comes to raw performance, Brabus usually takes the lead. But what if you don't really care about expensive leather, flashy interiors, or dramatic body kits? What if all you want is brutal acceleration, sharp handling, and pure performance? Then your answer is gpower. The name itself explains everything. This is the legendary BMW M5, often called a supercar killer, producing around 600 horsepower. Not enough? Then comes the M5 competition with 617 horsepower. Still not enough? Then there's the M5 CS with 627 horsepower. But if even that feels insufficient, then gpower enters the picture with builds producing close to 900 horsepower and more than 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. The moment gpower enters the conversation, even serious sports cars and supercars start feeling uncomfortable. These guys operate on a completely different level. gpower is another German aftermarket tuning company that customizes cars from brands like Lamborghini, Mercedes, and Porsche, but their biggest focus has always been BMW. For example, this is a regular BMW M5, and this is the gpower version officially called the G5M Hurricane RR. This is a standard BMW M8, and this is the G8M Hurricane RR. gpower is completely focused on performance, and to achieve that, they mainly follow 5 major steps. First comes ECU tuning and software upgrades. This is basically the laptop magic where hidden performance potential gets unlocked. Second are turbocharger upgrades, where factory turbos are replaced with much larger high-performance units. More air means better efficiency, and better efficiency means more power. Third comes upgraded exhaust systems and downpipes for better airflow and a more aggressive sound. Fourth comes aerodynamics, where lightweight carbon fiber parts like custom wings and front splitters improve airflow and stability. And fifth comes lightweight forged alloy wheels that are both stronger and lighter than factory wheels. After all these modifications, the final result is a gpower machine capable of humiliating cars from much higher segments. So, overall, Mansory feels like the all-rounder. It delivers luxurious interiors, aggressive styling, and decent performance upgrades. Brabus combines luxury with extreme tuning and also produces some insane limited edition vehicles. But gpower has one mission only: dominate through pure performance and handling. For them, speed comes first. Luxury is secondary. And yes, these companies mainly focus on high-end luxury and performance cars. But honestly, there are many more crazy aftermarket tuners out there. We just don't want to make this video too long. So, If you want a part 2 covering more legendary tuning companies, let me know in the comments. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.